Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So today I am doing an unboxing of something that I haven't received ever yet in the past, whichever you want to call it. My sister actually went to Target and she bought me a BeYouTiful box. So they have these boxes at Target. I saw different ones of these, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to, but my sister bought it for me. Thank you, Sissy. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see what's in here. These are $7 plus tax, so I think you end up paying like $7.50 for it, so it isn't bad. There is a list on the back of everything that comes with it, but let's pull it out and see what's in here. So the first item that's in here is a nail polish. Look at that's a pretty color. It looks like on camera it looks brighter than it is, but it's like a winter blue. Let's see what it's called. Oh, it's called a Wonder Mint. So that's super cute, and this is a full size item. It's not like a sample or a travel size. I love it. Absolutely pretty. I'm gonna do my nails with it. Actually, you know what, let's polish one of my nails. I don't have polish on right now. I was getting my nails done with the gel polish, but it like seriously made my nails so thin that I was like, I'm gonna give it a break. So that's why I don't have polish on. But let me try this one and see what it looks like. Oh, it's actually a pretty color. It actually does look like, once it's on my hand, it does look like a Tiffany blue kind of color. It's really pretty. And just forgive the sloppiness of this. I'm gonna do my nails in this color, but right now I just wanted to show you guys. So this is one swatch. Wait, maybe I should do it like this. One swatch there. It's actually a really pretty color. It's really pretty, and it is kind of thick. I think with two swatches you'll be fine. Okay, so that's item number one. Item number two is a Gotta Glow lip tint from e.l.f. and it looks like this. Let me open this up and see what this looks like. Do you guys hear the police? I don't know what's happening. Oh wait, how do I get this out of here? Oh, here, hold on. Packaging is a little difficult. Okay, hold on. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this. I like this clear, like, oh, so pretty. And this color, is this a color? Like, what is this? Is this a color? Duh. Oh, it's like, look, you can barely see it right here on my hand. Is this like a moisturizer? Like a, maybe I shouldn't have thrown the box. It's a tint. So this is a super light color. Look at that. But it barely goes on. Oh, there it is. Okay, so now it's getting more pink. It's a really, I think that I would use this for a day where I'm not really wearing like heavy makeup, just to give my lips some color. So it's pretty. I like it. So that's item number two. Items number three, and I just ruined my nail polish. Items 3 and 4 are Nexxus Carafix Damage Healing Shampoo and conditioner, and these aren't like your normal like little travel, like smaller, like sample size. These are actually a good size shampoo and conditioner, and it says repair level 5 on the back. So I'm super excited to try these out because this hair just has issues. So that is item number 3 and 4. The next item in here is Undeniable Beauty. What is this? One serving. It looks like, oh, I think they're they feel like gummies. Oh, I think they're vitamins. So here is the next sample. I don't know. I have to be very careful with what kind of pills I take because I do take a bunch of other stuff for my medical issues. So I don't know if I can take these, but I will definitely ask my doctor. I actually have an appointment tomorrow, so I will find out. But these are, it says Undeniable Beauty for hair, skin, and nails. That was item number 5. Yeah, item number 5. Item number 6 is Simple Sensitive Skin Micellar Makeup Remover Eye Pads. I always need eye pads, like makeup remover eye pads for my eyes. For some reason, when I wash my face, the makeup on my eyes doesn't want to come off. So I love that I got these. That is number 6. And then there is, oh, there's one more thing in here. Not one more, but There is a Honest Beauty Younger Face Deep Hydration Cream. I'm always looking, oh my god, it's just the way the light is hitting. I don't think you guys can really see it, but I'm always looking for moisturizer for my face because my skin has getting big. My skin, of course, there's never helicopters or airplanes in Palmdale, and of course when I'm recording they're like flying overhead, so I apologize for that. So I'm always looking for moisturizers because my skin is super dry, especially my face. I noticed lately, I don't know why, who knows, but I like that I got this one. So that was 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 samples. That's not bad. And then this box says this paper says, hello, Be Youtiful. Mama always said beauty comes from within. Inside this box, you'll find a few of your faves that let you shine. Whatever your style and no matter your mood, try them out. And if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at Target.com. And then it gives, on the back, it gives like a list of the items that came in the box. And then there's also a bunch of coupons, which are great. Let me see. There's $3 off for the Honest Beauty. Here, there's for the hair, the face. Wait, I didn't get a face wash. What? How come this says L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay? I didn't get no face wash. Did I? No, I didn't. Am I? Oh, yes, I did. I didn't see it. Look, there's a Pure Clay Cleanser. Oh, there is another one in there. That's actually 8 items. That's actually not bad. For $7, that's not bad at all. Look, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we got 8 items. That's not bad at all. Plus, you got coupons for the skincare, the vitamins, the iPad thingy-mabobbers. Like, that's really not bad. I think this is a great value, especially because of the shampoo and conditioner. They're like the bigger, and they're not like Suave or like the less expensive brands. Nexus is a pretty, you know, pricey, at least for me, brand, because I usually use Suave. I use the Suave, the green bottle, the lavender one. I love it. But I like that they gave me these to try out because I am looking for something. I'm telling you, my hair and my skin lately has just been horrible. And I don't know if it's a mix of the medication that I'm taking or the weather out here. I don't know what's happening in my life. But I would totally give this a 2 thumbs up, even though that's only 1. We are going to give it a 2 thumbs up. I love the value of it. I love the items that come in here. And I like that you can buy it at the store. You don't have to order it online and wait for it to ship, you know, all that stuff. So I'm excited about it. I think they had another one that was just face masks. I like face masks, but I have a ton of them right now, so I didn't get that one. But I might go back and get it because I really do like this one. And I'm excited about the nail polish in there. I'm a sucker for nail polishes. I love them. So absolutely love this. Let me know what you guys think. Did you guys get this? Did you get the same items? Is it different? Let me know. Any questions, comments, concerns in the comments somewhere there down below. Also, before you leave, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, also somewhere there down below, and also the little bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a video, because why miss out on all this fun? Thank you guys again for being here, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye.